Installing APK files on your Samsung Smart TV.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that might seem complicated, but we'll break it down and make it simple: installing APK files on your Samsung Smart TV.
What is an APK file?
First, let's understand what an APK file is. APK, or Android Package Kit, is the file format used by the Android operating system. It's essentially the equivalent of what an .x file is for your Windows computer. So, when you download an app from the Google Play Store, you're actually downloading an APK file.
Why would you want to install an APK file on your TV?
You might be wondering, why would you want to install an APK file on your TV? The reason is that not all apps are available on your Samsung Smart TV's built-in App Store. By installing an APK file, you can access these unavailable apps.
Is it safe to install APK files on your Samsung Smart TV?
Now, let's address a common concern. Is it safe to install APK files on your Samsung Smart TV? The answer is, it depends on the source of the APK file. Just like with your computer or smartphone, you should only install APK files from trusted sources.
How to install APK files on your Samsung Smart TV?
Before we start, you should know that Samsung Smart TVs don't natively support APK installations. However, there are workarounds. Here's how to do it. 1. Turn on unknown sources. Just like on an Android phone, you need to allow the installation of apps from unknown sources. This option is usually found in the settings of your TV. 2. Use a USB drive. The easiest way to install an APK file on your Samsung Smart TV is to save the APK file onto a USB drive, then insert the USB drive into your TV. You can then use the File Explorer on your TV to find and install the APK file. 3. Install via a sideload launcher. Another way is to install a sideload launcher from your TV's App Store. You can then install the APK file via this sideload launcher. Remember, you're taking a risk when installing APK files from unknown sources. Make sure you trust the source before proceeding. And that's it. Now you know what APK files are, why you might want to install them on your Samsung Smart TV, and how to do it. Remember to always be cautious when installing APK files from unknown sources. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.